What About Accident reports 4 accidents on private property. Have you ever wondered what happens if you get into a car accident on private property? It can be a bit different than an accident on a public road. Let's break it down. When a car accident occurs on private property, like in a parking lot or a driveway, the rules for reporting the accident can change. In many cases, an accident report is not legally required. However, it is highly recommended, especially if there is significant damage or someone is injured. Police may not always come to the scene unless there are injuries, major property damage, or a disagreement between the drivers. If the police do respond and file a report, it can be very helpful for your insurance claim. This report can clarify what happened and support your case when you file a claim with your insurance company. From the perspective of auto insurance, your coverage typically applies to accidents on private property just like it does on public roads. If you have collision coverage, it can help pay for repairs to your vehicle if you are at fault. If the other driver does not have insurance, this coverage will also protect you. Liability coverage is another important type of insurance. It pays for damage or injuries you cause to others. Both collision and liability coverage can be used for accidents that happen on private property, but the claims process may require extra steps to determine who is at fault. Determining fault can be trickier on private property since standard traffic laws may not apply. Insurance companies will look closely at the situation. They will review available evidence, such as surveillance footage or witness statements. If there is a police report, they may consult that as well. This helps them figure out who is responsible for the accident and how to process the claim. If you find yourself in an accident on private property, it is wise to document everything. Take clear photos of the scene and any damage. Make sure to exchange insurance information with the other drivers involved. It is also a good idea to get contact information from any witnesses. If the accident is serious, meaning there are injuries or significant property damage, you should call the police. They can help ensure a report is filed. Even if the police do not come to the scene, you may still need to file a report with local authorities, depending on your state's laws. Some states requiring reporting accidents with injuries or property damage above a certain amount within a specific number of days, even if they occur on private property. After the accident, it is important to contact your insurance provider as soon as possible to start the claims process. Be prepared to provide details about the accident, including the time, location, vehicles involved, and any injuries. If you have collision coverage, your insurance company will assist you in getting your car repaired. If you only have liability coverage, your insurance will only cover damage you cause to others, not for your own vehicle. In summary, while accident reports are not always required for accidents on private property, they can be very helpful for filing insurance claims. Your car insurance will generally cover these types of accidents, but the process may involve more steps due to the unique circumstances of private property. Always document the accident thoroughly and report it to your insurance company to ensure a smooth claims process.